Hello everyone, welcome back to Ekraft Geeks. In today's video, we will be discussing on the topic AMOLED displays. The following contents we are going to be doing in today's topic are introduction, components, working, advantages and disadvantages, and applications and future prospects. So let's begin. Introduction. So what is an AMOLED? An AMOLED, also known as active matrix organic light emitting diode, is a display device technology that is also a type of OLED. OLED describes specific type of thin display technology, and the active matrix refers to the technology behind addressing of pixels. An OLED is any LED whose emissive electroluminescent layer comprises a film of organic compounds. The layer usually contains a polymer substance that allows suitable organic compounds to be deposited. They are deposited in rows and columns onto a flat carrier by simple printing process. The resulting matrix of pixels can emit light of different colors. Now let us know about the components of AMOLED. AMOLED consists of 6 components and they are cathode, emissive layer, conducting layer, anode, substrate and thin film transistor. Now let us come to the working of an AMOLED. The AMOLED display consists of a matrix of OLED pixels, each having an anode, cathode and a layer of organic material between them. These pixels are activated by a thin film transistor array which controls the current to each pixel, enabling it to be activated, and when current flows through it, light is generated. Typically, two transistors are used for each pixel, one to turn the charge to the pixel on and off, and second to provide the constant current. This eliminates the needs for the very high currents required for passive matrix OLED operation. After knowing about its working, let us now know its advantages and disadvantages. In advantages, AMOLED is thinner, lighter, and flexible. They have a higher contrast ratio and sun readability with a large viewing angle and less power consumption. However, in disadvantages, they have a short lifespan due to degradation, vulnerability to water damage, and poor outdoor visibility. Now let us come to the final content, that is application and future prospects. In application, AMOLEDs are used in cellular or mobile phones along with MP3 players, digital cameras and tablets or PCs. In terms of future prospects, AMOLEDs can be used as curved AMOLED displays or as transparent AMOLEDs embedded in windows and AMOLED in car windshields. And that was the end of the topic AMOLED display. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ekraft Geeks. Thank you so much and see you next time.